Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about what to do if your Roku TV is not turning on. So this is the problem that a lot of people face and how can you solve it. So there are like a few solutions that you must try. The first one is like basically change the switch of this Roku TV and make sure to replug it into a different switch and try if it works or not. And the second thing that you need to do is just make sure to change the batteries on your remote, as sometimes the batteries of your remote are dead and you are not able to turn on your TV. So make sure to change the batteries. And if you're still facing the issue, then what you can do is just press all the buttons on the Roku TV. So make sure to try all those and let's see if it works or not. And there is also a reset button on the TV on the backside or on the corners. So this is the last step. If you want to try, like click on this reset button for 10 to 20 seconds. And if your Roku TV has power, so it will basically reset to its default settings and try if it works or not. And let's say if you're still facing the issue, then unfortunately you will not be able to solve this issue by yourself. So make sure to go to any manufacturer, show him the TV. It might be either a display problem or any kind of other hardware issues. So make sure do not try any other things and consult a manufacturer and he'll be able to solve your issue.